Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Begre. Today's session I will discuss about you what is the constraint and keys in the Java. Constraint in the Java is very important in the SQL concept. So let us discuss about you what is the constraint and keys in the Java. The constraint is the rules. That means suppose we create a one table. So this table created by corresponding constraint rules and regulation. So first I will discuss about you. First constraint is not null. Not null, that means we consider the one whole table one column, that is employee ID. So employee ID is not it is not possible to not null. That is every employee has a ID required or mandatory. So employee ID is not possible to not null. So it is required to employee ID in employee table. So uh, next is check. So check is the constraint. Check, that means we every the check constraint uh, are defined in the column, not defined in the not column views, not defined in the row. So check, that means every in every check, that means we create a one table. That time we check the condition that's are required, that's are defined in query. For example, we write the one check condition, that is check age greater than 90. So age column only required the above the 90 ages persons. So it is a check constraint. Then primary key. The primary key is a combination between unique and not null. That is every primary keys are mandatory to not null and unique, that means for example, employee ID and student roll number is a primary key. It is not possible to not null, and it is a it is must be unique. So it is a primary key in our table. Next is unique. Unique is the if uh, unique, that means we created the one table, that time we unique constraint we using. So one column must be unique. For example, mobile number is must be the unique, not a duplicate mobile number are possible, and not null is required. So mobile number is a unique. Then next constraint is foreign key. The foreign key is a very important constant in the SQL. Foreign key means reference key. It is a reference of the another table. So it is a it's called as a foreign key. Then next is so it is the keys and constant in the SQL. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am.